Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So students, in our previous session, we were doing unit number 9, okay, that is mixed bags. Okay, and we have already done one of the topic from the same unit, that is quiz yourself 1. And today I am going to start with another topic, that is quiz yourself 2. Okay, so this is the second part of quiz yourself. Quiz yourself 2. And this is given at page number 51 in your GK book. Page number 51. Okay. So all of you kindly open your books at page number 51, that is quiz yourself 2. Okay. So in this chapter, just like the previous one, we are going to discuss about the various questions that are related to the different topics. As the name of the quiz signifies that different questions related to different topic. तो क्विज में क्या होता है बेटा, ऑल द क्वेश्चंस, जितने भी क्वेश्चंस होते हैं वो सब के सब अलग अलग टॉपिक से रिलेटेड होते हैं. सो दिस एज दिस इज द चैप्टर इज क्विज योरसेल्फ, सो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद द डिफरेंट, सो वी विल सी डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम डिफरेंट टॉपिक इन दिस पेज. Starting with the first one, that is, when was the first International Yoga Day celebrated? Okay, when was the first International Yoga Day celebrated? सबसे पहला योगा डे था जो कब सेलिब्रेट किया गया था. सो द फर्स्ट इंटरनेशनल योगा डे वॉज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन 21 जून 2015. ओके, तो सबसे पहला जो योगा डे था, दैट इज योगा दिवस, जिसको योगा दिवस भी बोलते हैं. ओके, तो इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे सबसे पहला जो योगा डे था, दैट वाज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन 21 जून 2015, and after that every year it is celebrated on 21st June. हर साल 21 जून को जो योगा डे है वो सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है. ओके, बट द फर्स्ट योगा डे वाज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन 21st जून 2015. ओके, सो इस दिन क्या होता है, देखिए इस साल तो ड्यू टू कोविड-19 इतने योगा शिविर नहीं लगे, बट एवरी ईयर क्या होता है कि ऑन द बिफोर योगा डे, मतलब 1 वीक बिफोर और 50 डेज प्रायर जो योगा शिविर लगने शुरू हो जाते हैं एट डिफरेंट प्लेसेस. ओके, बहुत जगह अलग अलग जो योगा शिविर लगने शुरू हो जाते हैं, एंड द पीपल दोज हु आर इंटरेस्टेड दे जस्ट ज्वाइन दोज योगा शिविर एंड दे वो जो योगा क्लासेस लेनी शुरू कर देते हैं वहाँ पे. ओके, सो सम आर पेड, some are free of cost as well. Okay, so this yoga, okay, so first thing what is yoga? So yoga is a kind of exercise that is being done for maintaining your body, okay, for keeping your health, your internal and the external parts of your body healthy. तो देखिए, exercise is also good, but yoga is better than exercise. It is being said that कि देखिए एक्सरसाइज कुछ होती है, there are some kind of ill effects of exercise, but there is no such any ill effect of any kind of yoga. तो योगा जो आपकी बॉडी को not only externally, it also boost the immune system of your body internally. ओके, तो आपके इंटरनल जो बॉडी ऑर्गन्स हैं उनको भी जो योगा है that also improves that. Okay, so that's why this yoga day is being celebrated every year on 21st June. But first time it was introduced on, it was celebrated on 21st June 2015. And the India में जो योगा, जो main yoga was brought India by the Baba Ramdev, who is associated with Patanjali Consumer Good. ओके, सो बाबा रामदेव जो हैं वो जो मेनली योगा है जो इंडिया में कौन लाए हैं, दैट इज बाबा रामदेव, जो कि पतंजलि कंज्यूमर गुड है उसके साथ एसोसिएटेड हैं. ओके, सो ही हैज टोल्ड द पीपल अबाउट द वेरियस merits, advantages of doing yoga. Okay, sometimes the people they are fit and fine with their body, but sometimes they face problems in they face different problems inside their body. For that, the doctor also prescribed to do the yoga regularly on regular basis. Okay, so this is the yoga. Okay, this is also one form of the exercise, but this is better than the exercise as we say. Okay, so yoga, you can do the yoga in your houses as well. Okay, तो आपको इसके लिए कुछ स्पेशल कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं. You can just watch the yoga videos and you can easily do yogas in your houses, in your homes, in the morning or as well as in the evening. Okay, so the question was, when was the first International Yoga Day celebrated? So the first International Yoga Day was celebrated on 21st June 2015. The answer of the first one is, that is 21st June 2015. So first Yoga Day was celebrated on 21st June 2015. Moving next to the second one. In which state were the 36th National Games held in the 2016? Okay, so 2016 में जो नेशनल 36th नेशनल गेम्स हैं वो कौन सी स्टेट में हुई थी इंडिया की? सो 36th नेशनल गेम of 2016 was held in Goa. Okay, so गोवा में 2016 में जो नेशनल गेम्स हुई थी that was 36. The number of the games is 36. So that game was organized for the 36th time. Okay, so that's why it is the 36th national games. Okay, and that was held in Goa. So the question was, in which state were the 36th national games held in 2016? And the answer is Goa. Goa. Okay, so Goa is also the smallest state of India. So Goa हमारी इंडिया की एक smallest state है. Okay, that is Goa. Moving next to the third one. The people of which country speak Sinhalese? Okay, कौन सी country के जो लोग हैं Sinhalese language बोलते हैं? So the people of Sri Lankan country, Lanka, जो श्रीलंका के लोग हैं, they speak Sinhalese. The language. So the language of Sri Lanka is Sinhalese. जैसे कि हमारी इंडिया is divided into various states, तो आपने देखा होगा हर states में different kind of languages are being spoken by the people. So just like that, different languages are being spoken worldwide by the people from different countries, different religions. Okay, they different cultures. They speak different languages. Okay, so this is also one kind of a language, that is Sinhalese. Sinhalese is one kind of a language, and the question is, the people of which country speak Sinhalese? That is Sri Lanka. So people of Sri Lanka, they speak Sinhalese. Okay, so people of Sri Lanka, they speak Sinhalese. That is Sinhalese. So the answer is Sinhalese. Sorry, Sri Lanka. The language is Sinhalese and the answer is Sri Lanka. So Sinhalese is the language that is being spoken in Sri Lanka. Okay, जो हमारे इंडिया का सर्दर्न पार्ट है, उसमें सर्दर्न पार्ट के बाद सबसे नीचे जो हमारी इंडिया से अटैच जो छोटी सी कंट्री है, that is Sri Lanka. Okay, and the language that is being spoken in Sri Lanka is Sinhalese. Clear? Moving next to the fourth one. The fourth is, which Indian Prime Minister launched the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan? भारत के कौन से प्राइम मिनिस्टर? प्राइम मिनिस्टर मीन्स प्रधानमंत्री. सो विच इंडियन प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैज लॉन्च्ड द अभियान, दैट इज स्वच्छ भारत अभियान. ओके, दैट इज, सो स्वच्छ भारत अभियान वॉज लॉन्च्ड बाय Narendra Modi, who is also the current Prime Minister of our country. So the Narendra Modi has launched this plan, that is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Okay, under which the pledge was taken to clean India. Okay, so it was taken that clean India, green India. Okay. So this was a pledge that was taken at that time. That's why they have started a movement under which they are going to clean each and everything. मतलब उसके अंदर क्या था, जो इंडिया की जो hygiene system है, that is very poor. Okay, so that's why the Prime Minister of India, that he has started a movement, that is the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Okay, under which each and every street, road, of the India was clean, मतलब it was tried, मतलब उन्होंने try किया to clean it up so that people are aware of about the hygiene, जो कि लोग हैं वो hygiene के बारे में aware हो, ठीक है. So in spite of throwing dust here and there, sorry, in spite of throwing the garbages and the rubbish here and there, you just put it in the proper dustbin. ओके आपने देखा होगा बहुत सारे जो म्यूनसिपल जो म्यूनसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन लोग होते हैं वो बहुत सारे जो आपने देखा होगा व्हाट वी कॉल इट, एक जो रबिश वैन होती है ना, जो गार्बेज वैन होती है वो आती है ग्रीन कलर की होती है. सो दे कम ऑन डेली बेसिस इन द वेरियस स्ट्रीट्स, ओके, एंड दे कलेक्ट ऑल द रबिश, ऑल द डस्ट फ्रॉम योर हाउसेज, ओके, एंड दे जस्ट वो एक जगह उसको जाके कंपोस्ट कर देते हैं ताकि वहाँ जाके उसको एक जगह पे वो मतलब दबा देते हैं ताकि जो लोग हैं जो उस डस्ट का, उस गंदगी का जो इफेक्ट है वो लोगों के ऊपर ना पड़े. ओके, सो देयर आर वेरियस steps being taken by the Narendra Modi for making clean India, green India. Okay, उन्होंने स्वच्छ भारत अभियान शुरू किया था, ठीक है, and after that he has also started that what was हर घर में शौचालय वाला जो था उसमें उन्होंने क्या किया था, जो हर घर में एक एक जो वॉशरूम्स है बनवाए गए थे, so that in spite of going out the people they use the washrooms. Okay, so इस तरह के बहुत सारे जो hygiene related movements have that has been started by Narendra Modi so that they can make the India clean India. Okay, so this is the dream, one of the dream of the Prime Minister of the India. So who started, which Indian Prime Minister launched the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan? That is Narendra Modi. So Narendra Modi ने 2nd of October को ये एक अभियान शुरू किया था, that is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Okay, so in which he aware the people about that they should डिकम्पोज द वेस्ट इन अ प्रॉपर मैनर, ठीक है. इस स्पाइट आपने देखा होगा सड़कों पे जब गाड़ी चलती है तो लोग जितना भी डस्ट है वो उठा के, जितना भी कूड़ा होता है, कचरा होता है, दे जस्ट थ्रो इट आउट ऑफ द विंडो. सो इन स्पाइट ऑफ थ्रोइंग इट ऑन द विंडो यू कैन जस्ट कीप इट इन योर बैग्स एंड वेन एवर यू सी डस्टबिन यू कैन थ्रो दैट इन दैट डस्टबिन. तो अगर सड़क पे आके चल रहे हो तो मोस्टली जो पीपल दे यूज टू जो खाते हैं दे यूज मतलब सम काइंड ऑफ जो मूंगफली वगैरह खा के दे जस्ट थ्रो इट ऑन द रोड्स. Okay, so in spite of throwing it on the road, you just collect it in your bags on some polythene and just keep a polythene in your bags and then just throw it in the dustbin whenever you find a dustbin. Okay, so you just as a responsible citizen of India, you should also adopt these healthy habits so that you can make your contribution for a clean India. ओके, तो एक आप इंडिया के रिस्पॉन्सिबल सिटीजन होने के नाते आपको भी ये जो हैबिट्स है अपनानी चाहिए, ठीक है. आपको खुद भी करना चाहिए एंड डोंट लेट द अदर्स ऑल्सो डू दैट कि कहीं भी जहाँ मना है वहीं पे कूड़ा फेंक दिया. नो, सो स्टॉप योर सेल्फ, स्टॉप योर फैमिली, स्टॉप योर नेबर्स एंड दिस इज हाउ दिस प्रोसेस विल गो ऑन एंड दिस हाइजीन ऑफ इंडिया विल इम्प्रूव. ओके, सो द क्वेश्चन वॉज विच इंडियन प्राइम मिनिस्टर लॉन्च द स्वच्छ भारत अभियान? दैट वॉज नरेंद्र मोदी. So Narendra Modi, who is also the current Prime Minister of India, he has launched this movement that is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. So the answer is Narendra Modi. R-N-A-R-E-N-D-R-A. Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi has launched this plan of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Next one, that is the 5th is who wrote the book To Kill a Mockingbird? So this is the book that was, and now you have to, so this is the book and you have to mention the name of the author of the book. So the name of the book is To Kill a Mockingbird. So who is the author of the book? That is Harper Lee. So Harper Lee is the author of the book To Kill a Mockingbird. To Kill a Mockingbird. Okay, so the author of this book that is Harper Lee. The spelling is Harper. That is Harper Lee. Okay, so he wrote the book To Kill a Mockingbird. To Kill a Mockingbird. Clear? L-E-E Lee. Just write it briefly. That is L-E-E Lee. So Harper Lee is the author of the book okay, to kill the mockingbirds. Next is question number 6. Who invented television? Okay, so who invented television? That is J.L. Baird. J.L. Baird is the person who has made such a great invention, that is television. So J.L. Baird, he has invented the television. Okay, so the inventor of television is J.L. Baird. So J.L. Baird, when he has discovered this television, you must have learned in the class 3 as well. उसमें आपका एक टॉपिक आपने किया था इन्वेंशंस एंड डिस्कवरीज. सो उसमें आपने देखा था, सो देयर वाज एक्सप्लेनेशन वाज गिवन अबाउट द J.L. Bairds इन्वेंशन ऑफ टेलीविजन की दैट फर्स्ट टाइम दैट जब देखिए आजकल आप जो टेलीविजन देख रहे हो दैट आर वेरी इन स्मॉल साइजेस, बट जब व्हेन द फर्स्ट टाइम द कंप्यूटर वाज इन्वेंट सॉरी दैट टेलीविजन वाज इन्वेंटेड इट वाज लिटिल बिट बिगर, तो थोड़ा सा बड़ा था. सो द फर्स्ट पर्सन टू अपीयर ऑन द टेलीविजन वाज अ ऑफिस बॉय फ्रॉम द बिल्डिंग ऑफ दैट J.L. Baird. ओके, तो J.L. Baird जिस ऑफिस में काम करते थे उन्हीं के ऑफिस में से उन्होंने एक अपने ऑफिस बॉय को इस फर्स्ट सबसे पहले जो टेलीविजन के ऊपर ब्रॉडकास्ट किया था. सो ही वाज जस्ट ऑफिस बॉय फ्रॉम द बिल्डिंग ऑफ द J.L. Baird's ऑफिस. ओके, so this television was invented. This is a great discovery of J.L. Baird. So with the help of television, now you can see number of like videos. You can see that you can live broadcasting you can see on the television. If you want to see some live session or like live cricket matches, okay, like any game, not the cricket only, okay, live news, okay. So if you want to see any event live, you can just watch it on the television. So this is one of the great inventions by the J.L. Baird. Okay, so the question is, who invented television? That is J.L. Baird. That is J.L. Baird. J.L. Baird. B-A-I-R-D. J.L. Baird has invented television. J.L. Baird ने क्या इन्वेंट किया था? Television. Moving next to the 7th one. Which religion is Lord Mahavir associated with? जो महावीर हैं, ओके, जो भगवान महावीर हैं, जिसको लॉर्ड महावीर बोला जाता है, वो कौन से रिलीजन से एसोसिएटेड हैं? सो द लॉर्ड महावीर इज एसोसिएटेड विद जैनिज्म. जो लॉर्ड महावीर इज एसोसिएटेड विद जैनिज्म. सो द आंसर ऑफ द 7th one is Jainism. J-A-I-N-I-S-M. Lord Mahavir is associated with Jainism. तो कौन से रिलीजन से वो एसोसिएटेड है? दैट इज जैनिज्म. आपने उनके बारे में सुना होगा. सो यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड अबाउट लॉर्ड महावीर. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज द ओके. सो दीज आर द आंसर्स फ्रॉम द क्वेश्चंस 1 to 7. The first is 21st June. This is the day on which 21st June 2015. So this is the day on which the first International Yoga Day was celebrated. So the first International Yoga Day was celebrated on 21st June 2015. Second is Goa. Second is Goa. So Goa is a state where the 36th National Games were held. Third is Sri Lanka. The people of Sri Lanka, they speak Sinhalese. The fourth is Narendra Modi. He is one of the prime minister. He is the prime minister of our country, and he has launched the movement that is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, and there are several others as well. Next is Harper Lee. Harper Lee is the author of the book To Kill a Mockingbird. To Kill a Mockingbird. Next is J.L. Baird. J.L. Baird is the inventor of television. He invented television, that is J.L. Baird. Next is Jainism. What is Jainism? Okay, so Lord Mahavir, जो भगवान महावीर हैं, वो कौन से धर्म से एसोसिएटेड हैं? विद जैनिज्म. जैन धर्म के जो लोग होते हैं, आपने देखा होगा, they used to wear white dress. ठीक है, मतलब वो white कपड़े पहनते हैं, and they just put a mask always on their face, and they always move bare legs. They always move bare legs. ठीक है, वो कभी भी पैरों में कुछ पहनते नहीं है, मतलब वो नंगे पैर ही हर तरफ चलते हैं. So they are Jain, the people, those who belong to Jain religion. Next is going to the 8th one. Now moving to the eighth question, that is, Mark Zuckerberg is the main founder of which popular social networking site? So जो मार्क जकरबर्ग हैं वो कौन सी पॉपुलर नेटवर्किंग सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट के फाउंडर हैं? सो मार्क जकरबर्ग इज द फाउंडर ऑफ फेसबुक. So he has founded the social networking site. He is the founder of the social networking site Facebook. Okay. So Mark Zuckerberg when he was in the college, जब वो कॉलेज में पढ़ते थे, उन्होंने उसी टाइम पे जो ये फेसबुक है इसको इन्वेंट किया था along with his 5 friends. Okay. So but his part or his share in the shares of Facebook is much higher than the other his friends. So that's why he is known as the founder of Facebook. So when he was in the college, okay, जब वो कॉलेज में ही थे तो उसी टाइम पे उन्होंने ये सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट है जो बनाई थी. एंड देन लेटर ऑन बिकेम सो पॉपुलर अमंग द पीपल. नाउ यू कैन कनेक्ट सोशली विद एनीवन ऑल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड. डजंट मीन कि सिर्फ इंडिया के ही लोगों से. You can connect to anyone from your family, anyone from your friends, whether they are residing in any country, okay, whether they are residing in any part of the world. Other than that, you can make new friends as well on the Facebook, okay. And one the important thing is that sometimes the people they face some cyber bullies through these social networking sites. देखिए जहाँ इसके merits हैं, there are some demerits as well. So हर चीज़ें कुछ अच्छाइयाँ और बुराइयाँ होती हैं, okay. So the question was, Mark Zuckerberg is the main founder of which popular social networking site? That is Facebook. So Mark Zuckerberg is the founder of the Facebook. So the answer of the 8th one is Facebook. 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 Moving to the 9th one. If Sahil is older than Ali, Ali is older than Tashi is younger than Sahil. Who is the oldest? तो देखिए यहाँ पे 3 बच्चों की बात हो रही है. The first is the Ali, second is Tashi, and the third is Sahil, Ali, and Tashi. So these are the 3 children that we are talking about. So let's see. So for understanding that, you have to make a diagram. So just pay attention to on the board. देखिए क्या कह रहे हैं? Sahil is older than Ali. Sahil is older than Ali. So that means Sahil is older than Ali. Sahil बड़ा है Ali से. Sahil is older than Ali and Ali is older than Tashi. अब Ali किससे बड़ा है? Tashi से. Tashi. Sahil is older than Ali and Ali is older than Tashi. So now the question is, Tashi is younger than Sahil. जो ताशी है वो साहिल से यंगर है, मतलब याद से ओल्डर का मीन बड़ा और यंगर का मीन छोटा. सो ताशी इज यंगर देन साहिल. तो जो ताशी है वो साहिल से छोटा है. यस, ही इज यंगर देन साहिल. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज हु इज द ओल्डेस्ट. तो इन तीनों में सबसे बड़ा कौन सा हुआ? सो दैट इज साहिल. तो देखिए साहिल से छोटा अली है, अली से छोटा ताशी है, सॉरी अली से बड़ा साहिल है, ताशी से बड़ा अनिल है, अली है, ओके. और जो ताशी है वो अनिल से छोटा है. सो दैट मीन सबसे बड़ा कौन हुआ? दैट इज साहिल. तो साहिल इज द ओल्डेस्ट. सो द आंसर ऑफ द नेक्स्ट इज साहिल. SAHIL. सो साहिल इज द ओल्डेस्ट. Moving next to the 10th one, that is, what is the capital of Pakistan? तो पाकिस्तान की कैपिटल क्या है? That is Islamabad. Okay, so the capital of Pakistan is Islamabad. That is the 10th one, Islamabad. The capital of Pakistan is Islamabad. Moving next to the 11th question, that is, what is the hardest substance in our body? So what is the hardest substance in the body? हमारी बॉडी में सबसे hardest substance कौन सा है? तो हमारी बॉडी में सबसे हार्डेस्ट मीन्स सबसे कहते हैं ना सबसे कठोर, मतलब सबसे कठोर या सबसे कहते हैं ताकतवर, मतलब हार्ड में जो सबसे हार्ड है, ठीक है, जिसको आप जल्दी तोड़ नहीं सकते, जिसको आप जल्दी, विच इज द हार्डेस्ट सब्सटेंस इन आवर बॉडी, सो दैट इज टूथ इनैमल। तो टूथ इनैमल इज द हार्डेस्ट सब्सटेंस इन आवर बॉडी। तो देखिए आपको जब कुछ भी काटना होता है, यू ऑलवेज यूज योर टीथ, ओके, तो यू ऑलवेज यूज योर टीथ, ओके, जब अखरोट तोड़ने होते हैं तो आपको जॉ यूज करते हो कि नहीं? So that's why the tooth enamel is the hardest substance in our body. Okay, so that's why this is the reason that why it is termed as the hardest substance. So the answer of the 11th one is tooth enamel. That is tooth enamel. E-N-A-M-E-L. So tooth enamel is the hardest substance in a human body. Clear? Moving next to the 12th one. Okay, which Indian language is spelled as Planchydrome in English? So English में इंडिया की कौन सी ऐसी लैंग्वेज है जिसको इंग्लिश में प्लांचिड्रोम बोला जाता है? So which Indian language is termed as, is spelled as, not termed as, is spelled as, उसको बोला जाता है, okay, that as palindrome, not palindrome, it's a palindrome. So which Indian language is spelled as palindrome in English? So that is Malayalam. तो मलयालम को इंग्लिश में palindrome बोला जाता है. So Malayalam is termed as palindrome in English. So write your answer. That is Malayalam. M-A-L-A-Y-A-L-A-M, Malayalam. So Malayalam is spelled as palindrome in English. Okay. Moving next to the 13th question. Which sports in the Indian Super League associated with? So जिसको बोलते हैं ISL, जैसे IPL, you must have heard about the IPL. Now with which sport ISL is associated? So ISL, the full form of ISL is Indian Super League. Okay, so that is Indian Super League. ये भी हर साल एक this is also an annual event. Okay, so in which the various football teams that were made and they just play just like an IPL. The various players, they just sit together. They come together and play this game in the event that is ISL, that is Indian Super League. So the question is, which sports is Indian Super League associated with? So Indian Super League is associated with football. So Indian Super League is associated with football. So the answer of the 13th question is football. F-O-O-T-B-A-L-L. So this is football. Okay. Moving next to the 14th question. Which planet comes between Mars and Saturn? So हमारे सोलर सिस्टम में कौन सा प्लैनेट है जो कि मार्स और सैटर्न के बीच में आता है? So according to our solar system, okay, so there, as you know, there are 8 planets in our solar system. Earlier it was 9, but now Pluto is termed as a star, so that's why it again became 8. So there are 8 planets in our solar system. Okay, so Mars and Jupiter. So which planet comes between Mars and Saturn in our solar system? That is Jupiter. तो Jupiter जो है हमारे, Jupiter is the planet that comes between Mars and Saturn, जो कि मार्स और सैटर्न के बीच में आता है. Okay, so Jupiter is the name of the planet that's come between Mars and Saturn. Moving next to the question number 15. The 15th is, in which state of India will you find Lake Pichola? इंडिया की कौन सी स्टेट में आपको पिचोला लेक, you can find that. So the Pichola lake is located in Rajasthan. So the lake Pichola is located in Rajasthan. So the answer of the 15th is Rajasthan. 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 Okay. So these are the answers from question number 8 to 15 that is given in your book. Okay. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only, class. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a good day.